So we need to graph the following function. Before we do that, let's try to simplify it. So negative x plus 1 squared minus 2 is equal to negative x squared minus 2x minus 1 and minus 2. So this whole thing is equal to negative x squared minus 2x minus 3. So f of x is equal to this expression. And now we can see that it's clearly a quadratic function, and so its graph will look like a parabola. To draw this parabola, we need to get some information about it. So we remember that if the coefficient in front of x squared is negative, then our parabola goes down. So here the coefficient before x squared is equal to negative 1. Is equal to negative 1. That means that a is less than 0, and that means that parabola opens down. So basically it will look like this. Well, now let's find the vertex, this point. So x coordinate of the vertex is equal to negative b over 2a, where again b is the coefficient in front of x and a is the coefficient in front of x squared. So this is equal to negative in our function b. So we are looking at this function. B is equal to negative 2. So here we will have negative 2. A is equal to negative 1. So 2a is negative 2. So the whole thing is equal to negative 1. This is the x coordinate of our vertex. Now we need to find y coordinate. And it will be equal to f of negative 1, which is minus negative 1 squared minus 2 times negative 1 minus 3. And this is equal to negative 1 squared is 1. So this is negative 1. Then 2 times negative 1 is negative 1. And here we have minus. So it's plus 2 and minus 3. So the whole thing is equal to negative 2. That means that the vertex is negative 1, negative 2. We can depict it on the xy plane. So let this be 1, this 2. Oh, this is 1, this is 1. Then x is equal negative 1, it's right here. And y is equal negative 2, it's right here. And that means that our vertex is right here. Negative 1, negative 2. Well, now to build the parabola, we need at least 3 points. Right now we have only one, the vertex. So let's try to find 2 more points. First, let's start by finding y-intercept. So we will plug x equal 0 in our function. So f of 0 is equal to obviously negative 0 squared minus 2 times 0 minus 3. So this is equal to negative 3. So we get another point, which is 0, negative 3. Let's depict it here. X is equal to 0, y is equal to negative 3. So right here. Right here. Great. Now let's try to find the f of negative 2. So f of negative 2 is minus negative 2 squared minus 2 times negative 2 minus 3. So negative 2 squared is 4. So this is negative 4. Here we will have plus 4 minus 3. So this is also equal to negative 3. And we get another point, which is negative 2, negative 3. And it's right here. It's right here. So this is 0, negative 3, and this is negative 2, negative 3. Well, now we have 3 points of our parabola, and we can just connect them smoothly to build it. So it will look something like this. Like this.